In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing your photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Photos app. Then guys, let me quickly show you how we can easily share our photos. Let's say I want to share multiple pictures, so all I have to do is just tap at Select, then select Pictures I would like to share, then tap right here at that button, and that gives us a ton of different options how we can share the pictures we've selected. We can send them via any messenger, any social media platform or email. Also, we can tap at copy photos and then we'll be able to paste them anywhere. However, this video I'm making on how to share these photos by generating iCloud link and then how to stop sharing photos by deleting that link. So guys, to continue, I'm gonna tap at copy iCloud link, and what that will do, that will generate iCloud link with all the photos I've selected, and that will copy it to the clipboard. After that, we can go to any messenger, any social media platform or to email app, and then we can send that link in a conversation, just like that. Then anyone with that URL will be able to follow that link and they will get access to the photos we've shared. From here, they can open up those photos and also they will be able to save them to their devices. It doesn't matter if they are on a mobile or PC or Mac. They can open up that URL and watch and download your photos. That URL that we have just generated allows users to get access to your photos for quite a long time. However, we can easily stop sharing our photos in any time. To do that, let me show you from the beginning. So guys, to do that, head over to Photos app and then tap where it says For You. Basically, that's where we can find iCloud links at the top of the screen. If you don't have this iCloud link section at the very top, just scroll down a bit because on your device it may be located down below, and once you find it, you will be able to swipe left or right to see all of your URLs. And then if you would like to stop sharing some photos, just get into that kind of album. Tap at three dots, then stop sharing, and stop sharing again. Basically guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.